As part of our support for researchers, the library regularly offers workshops to HDR candidates to help you hone your skills. These workshops cover topics like reference management with EndNote, or planning and conducting your systematic review, or even getting some tips and tricks about how to better use a specific database. In this video, we'll look at where you can find details of upcoming workshops and other library events for researchers, and we'll show you how you can register for the events that you would like to attend. From the Researchers page, click Research Workshops here under the Researchers menu. This calendar lists upcoming events and gives you all the details you'll need, such as the event's title, date, time and duration, and location. You'll also see a description of the event, which tells you what will be covered and what you'll learn, and sometimes includes some special advice for attendees, such as this note here to please bring your laptop with EndNote already installed. You can find more events by using the calendar tool on the left of the screen. Search for an event by topic, so EndNote or systematic review, and you can filter by category for the type of event, by audience to see what's available to you as an HDR candidate, or by campus to see what's available at your home campus or online. When you're ready to register, simply click the register button and begin your registration. Complete all your details, being sure to use your UTAS email address. You'll receive an email confirming your spot, and if you need to cancel, you'll find the link to do that within the confirmation email. I hope that's helped you learn a little more about what's available to you as an HDR candidate from research librarians, and we look forward to meeting you at a workshop or an event soon.